So, all right, in this video, we are going to be looking at function value problem. So first of all, what is a function? A function is an algebraic expression in one variable. And that variable is dependent on the type of function. When I say the type of function, for instance, this particular question, we have a function of x. So all the variables that we're going to be having inside that particular function will be in terms of x, except if you have a constant variable, right? And if this is f of y, all the variables here, except apart from constant variable, will be in terms of what? Y. So now let's look at this example. This example says if f of x is 3x plus 2, find f of minus 2. Now, f of minus 2 basically is the same thing as what? F of minus 2 is what? F of x at what? X is equal to what? Minus 2. So what it means is that f of minus 2, in this case, will now be where we are going to be substituting x is equal to minus 2 in the original equation. That will be 3 into brackets minus 2, right, plus what? 2. So this will give us 3 times minus 2, that is minus 6, plus what? 2. So f of minus 2 will give us what? Minus what? Minus 4. All right. The next one is b. That is f of c. So for b part, we have what? F of what? C minus 2. So f of c minus 2 implies f of x, right, at what? X is equal to what? C minus 2. So what is our f of x? So that, let me check. F of x is 3x plus 2. So we can say that we know that f of x is equal to what? 3x plus 2. So in that case, f of what? C minus 2 is equal to what? 3 into brackets. Wherever we have x, that will be what? C minus 2, right, plus what? 2. So this will give us 3 times c, that is 3c. Then 3 times minus 2, that is minus 6, plus what? 2. So this will return 3c. Then minus 6 plus 2, that is what? Minus what? 4. So the final solution to this particular problem is 3c minus 4. I believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.